Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your text including the style, font, size and color. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select the document that you would like to customize the text of. Click on the relevant one. Then you should tap on the pencil button down below in the right side corner. Now you should tap on the this A icon at the top of the screen. And then tap on this text button. And here you can select the style of the text. As you can see, it is either normal text or heading 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can also add the title or select the subtitle function. So click on the relevant one. Then by going back with this button in the left corner, you can also select the font. It's set to Arial, but if you scroll down, you can see that there are a bunch of options. So tap on the one that suits your preferences. Click on the relevant one, and if you go back, you will see that this function has been updated. You can also select the size by sizing up or down. You can choose and change the text color. Click on the button. Here you can choose from a vast variety of colors on this scale. If you tap on the one that you prefer, as you can see down below, there are 8 shapes of that particular color that you can choose from. Click on the one that you like, and by going back you can also select the highlight color. Again, there are a vast variety of colors here, and the shapes, and also the clear formatting, which means that there's no color added to the highlight. So if you are done with these, just simply scroll down, and then all of these information and data will be saved automatically, and these function has been updated on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.